Hello guys and welcome to my channel. This is the best fashion tutorials. In this video I'll be showing you how to use a blind stitch machine and how to use it to stitch the hem of your trousers. So right now we'll be threading it together. So first and foremost, I've passed you through the upper thread guide, and now this is the tension. This tension is not like your regular tension. You see it has a clip downwards, so the thread has to pass through that iron down to now it has passed through, so it can enter into the tension properly. If you mistakenly pass it through the top directly, it will not be functional. So yeah, as you can see now, it's properly working. So we'll take it down again to this thread guide, then pass it through this place too, and then the final place is the needle. It's a very simple machine to thread. Anybody can thread it actually. It's very simple. So right now we thread the machine, and then afterwards we'll be sewing our trousers. So guys, I have a WhatsApp group where we discuss tailoring related issues. Kindly join it if you've not joined it. The link is in the description below and also in the comment section. So right now we'll fix our trousers and then we'll start the tacking properly. Hey, before we tag this trouser, please subscribe to this channel. Are you getting me? Please just hit the subscribe button. It's free. Subscribing is free. You aren't paying a dime, guy. Just subscribe, please. So this machine is a very sweet machine to use, but you have to be very careful not to break your needle, because the day my needle broke or spoiled, I looked for the needle round town. I didn't get it. I had to order for it. So you have to be very careful with the machine. Maintain it. It's a very nice machine. Since it was bought over a year now, it hasn't had an issue. So right now we are about to lock it. Pay attention to the stitching of the machine, because if you don't lock it well, it will loose. So you make sure the needle is at the center of the loop, then you drag it. It will be tight. It will stitch itself. But if it's not locked in that manner, it will start pulling out by itself. So that's it. So I'll be tacking the second leg of the trouser using the same technique. So please, if you have this machine, I would like you to comment in the comment section and tell us how the machine has been helping you. If there's any fault you noticed with the machine, or if there's anything I'm not getting right, you can tell me also. You can teach me. And you that want to purchase it, that's yet to have it, if there's any question you have about the machine, you can actually slide to my DM in WhatsApp and ask me a question. That's why it's very important to join the WhatsApp group. Or you can as well comment in the YouTube comment section. I will attend to you. I'll respond to your comments accordingly. So that's it. I'll still be showing you the control of this machine at the end of this video, so don't be quick to leave. So guys, now this is the control. If you look at it, you observe that when I'm turning it, the machine is going up and down. And this is what the final result looks like. You see some dots outside which showed that it actually tacked, but you won't see the thread outside. So that is it for this tutorial. See you in the next class. Thanks. Bye.